Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
A huge day at Bluey HQ because Bluey is coming out of the water and is going into dry dock for the rest of the houseboat build. Mariah and I weren't actually at the dry dock to watch this in person, which was a great shame. We were away, but the owner of the dry dock rang us up and said, look, there's a crane coming. Would you like us to take Bluey out of the water? And we said, yes, please. So he very kindly took some photos and videos while we were away. But it's the first time Mariah and I had ever seen the underside of Bluey all the time that we've owned her. She's been in the water. So it was kind of amazing and rather overwhelming to watch these photos and videos and actually see what our boat was. So it's a 1911 sailing ship hull with a 1990s superstructure on top. So it's a rather sort of unique looking, rather top heavy boat. But this is Bluey coming out of the water. It costs us about €1,500 to get Bluey out of the water into dry dock because we got to share the cost with another boat going in. And she'll be there in dry dock at DP Coating for the next few weeks until we move around the back. And she'll probably sit there for the next 18 months or so while we work on her. So very exciting day, thoroughly pleased to have Bluey out of the water. And here's to the rest of the project.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling t-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.